Areca palm is one of the most widely used palms for bright interiors. It features feathery arching fronds, each with so many leaflets. If you are looking to add a tropical vibe to your home, nothing beats a palm plant. If you are ready to grow your own, here are the basics. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Areca palm, also known as bamboo palm, is one of the most widely used palms for interior decoration and landscaping. Now let's discuss about planting and caring of Areca palm plant. For potted indoor plants, a well-drained peat-based soil mix is perfect. So while planting them in pots or containers, I would suggest coco peat along with soil and compost. Now let's talk about its water requirement and sunlight. They love bright indirect sunlight for lush green leaves. If you want to grow outdoors, keep it in a place where there is no direct sunlight. Avoid afternoon direct sun as it may burn the leaves. If you want them to grow indoors, keep them near a windowsill that receives ample amount of bright filtered sunlight. If its edges are brown, that indicates lack of water, so keep the soil moist. Water it thoroughly till the water comes out of the bottom part of the pot, and water it again only when soil becomes dry. Overwatering may keep the soil soggy and it may cause root rotting. So probably watering once in 3 to 4 days is more than enough for Areca plant depending upon the place where it is set up. Fertilize Areca palm with a time-release fertilizer in spring. This gives the plant most of the nutrient it needs for the entire season. Root rot is the biggest killer of Areca plant, but it can be avoided by watering properly and not keeping the soil soggy. Brown leaf tips may appear if air is too dry, which also make this plant more susceptible to pests like spider mites and mealybugs. If you notice this, use an insecticidal soap solution. This can either be given as foliar spray or added to the soil directly. Areca palm is relatively slow grower. They add 6 to 10 inches of growth per year until they reach a mature height of 6 to 7 feet. So it requires repotting for every 2 to 3 years. The main reason for repotting is to replace the aged potting soil and remove fertilizer salt deposits. Now about propagation of Areca palm plant. The best way to propagate this plant is by gently dividing clumps while repotting. Areca palm is one of the most underrated air purifier. It helps in absorbing indoor pollutants which emits from petroleum products, paints and wooden furniture. Now that you know how easy Areca palm care is, why not head out to the local nursery and pick up one of your own. Growing Areca palm indoors will be well worth the trip with all that lush beautiful foliage to brighten up the home. Hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.